we are going to discuss about a leap year. So we are going to write the program to find whether a particular year is a leap year or not. So for this, there are three key points you have to keep it in your mind while you write the logic. So the first key point is about the year is a multiple of 4, then it is called a leap year except number 100. And year is multiple of all multiples of 100, that is a leap year, but except 100 to 103 years, 300 are not leap year. And then multiples of 400 are leap year. So how to convert this into a code using if statement? So the first part, that is the remainder which is going to be given by 4, number which is going to be divided by 4, which is equal to 0, as well as but those numbers are not, those years are not going to be the multiples of 100, that is 100, 200 and 300, but from 400 onwards, if it is divisible, and then we have to say it is a leap year, otherwise we are going to say it is not a leap year. So how to write the code for this program we are going to see, and in this program declare the year is a leap year in documentation part. You just write the statement about a small instruction about this program, and then include the header file, then include the main function, and here what are the variables that are required for the program you have to say. So we need only input as year. Then we are going to ask the user to enter any one year. So enter year. So the user will enter the input after prompting this message. So using scanf statement, you read the input using mentioning the specifier part in the first parameter, that is %d is an integer type specifier. Mention the variable in ampersand, that is year. Now the keyboard inputs are ready, and now you have to write the condition, that is if that particular year, if the year which is that is divided by 4, that is the mod value by 4 is equal to 0, and one more condition, that is the year which is divided by 100, which is not going to be divided by 100. So that is why we are checking the condition which is not equal to 0. Or, that is R is an optional one, right? So when numbers greater than 100, that is 100, 200, 300, and number 400 from onwards you have to check. So you can use the R symbol, and you can write the condition year which is divided by 400 onwards. Those years are called as a leap year, equal to 0. So now you're going to say this is the condition for leap. Yeah, the year which satisfies this condition is called as a leap year. Otherwise, we are going to say in else statement we are going to say printf, that is not a leap year. So the first part, multiples of 4 are leap year, and except the number 100, and from number from 3, that is 100, 200, 300, which are not going to be leap year. From 400 onwards, again if it is divided by 400, then it is a leap year. So a year satisfies all this condition, then it is going to be a leap year. So save the program using escape : WQ exclamatory command. Now compile the program. cc filename.c. If there is no error, you can go for executing the program. Now I'm going to give the input as 4. 4 is a leap year, and likewise all the multiples of 4 is going to be leap year. Now your condition is supposed to verify the last, that is 100. So enter the year. I'm going to enter now 100, which is going to say not a leap year. Yeah, my logic works perfectly. Then similarly, check for 200, which is going to be not a leap year. And for 300, verify the input. Okay, it's not a leap year. And from 400 onwards, it is a leap year. And even if you want to check, cross verify with the present year, 2020 is a leap year or not, you can give the input. and you can check leap year. So all the conditions are satisfied by the program and the logic works perfectly. So this is how you have to find out a year is a leap year by satisfying three basic conditions, and using if and else statement you can complete this program.